So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is MediaBoxEnt. So today we're going to review the MQI12 Mini PC, an Intel Core i5-1235U running at the speed of 4.5 gigahertz. All right. So let's check 10 core, 12 thread. All right, to show the manual, pretty simple to follow, only a few cables, and you'll be flying into it. But let's take a look at this little guy. So I can look the MQI12. But before, let's take a peek exactly at what else we get. HDMI cable, power adapter, 19 volts, 110 to 20, and the bracket and the screw to put it right in your display so you can save space right in your desktop. The MQI12, it will replace this old PC that consumes a lot of power. They are slow. So right now, if you're in your office at home, you have a PC that is about maybe older than 5 years old, well, this little guy is more powerful than you want you have at your home right now. Not only that, that one, it consumes about maybe, 200 watts of power. It produces a lot of heat and noise. Now, this little guy runs at 4.5 gigahertz speed. I said 10 core, a compact design. Memory-wise, the LPDDR5, so it means saves a lot of energy and perfect for this mini PC. Storage 256 gigabyte, triple display, Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And by the way, I'm going to show you later on, we can put, it has a slot to put a 2242 if you want. What is 2242? It's going to be in M2 to upgrade your storage. Comes with 256 gigabyte. Plenty, but if you look into storage more, simple. Well, we can use an external drive for the thing right now. We can just install it right here, and it's all super compact. I'm going to show you how that works. So again, this will replace your old PCs, i5 or anything that is 5 years old. This it will be faster. And in the sense, it's faster experience. The experience when you open Windows, when you just want to open your programs, faster in multitasking compared to the old PC. For the tech side, this is perfect to run such as an OpenClaw or a small LLM. Why? Because it's super small. Do not use a lot of energy. There is no heat, no noise, so you can put it anywhere. You can just control it with TeamViewer or the software, and now you can use this as like a mini server. It becomes perfect. Now, for everyday use in the office, what we get? So power, jack, audio jack, USB 3.0, and USB Type-C. So this one will allow you to use as the triple display. Microphone. Now we look in the back, the cooler system, 19 volts, LAN, Wi-Fi 6, 2 HDMI output, 4K. I said 4K in the beginning, 4K, and 4 USB 3.0. So it comes super small and perfect, tiny to replace those old PC. But for those who would like to run, again, OpenClaw. Another great idea we can use this is for the media entertainment. Just connect it right back to your TV. The only thing you need right now is a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse. Hey, now you have the super media entertainment where you can have a bunch of softwares. You can, by the way, on games, it's more into the light side game because this is great, again, for office, everyday use at home. So it becomes the perfect productivity in mini PC. Now, like I said in the beginning, I want to show you how we connect the extra storage. It's pretty simple. The only thing we need to do is just remove those 4 screws. We're going to take the cover out. It's super simple, like this. And you can see the gut of this little guy. You see, 256 gigabyte for the storage. And right here, we can use the M2. 245. See, plug it in, take the screw, put it back, and now you have the D drive automatically 1 terabyte, and you can storage a lot of files. Anyway, 256 is plenty. But if you look into upgrade, it's super easy to upgrade. You can always use an external drive, but I think that's the better way to do it. But what I want to show you now, let's go and let's look up the setup. How long it takes to set up this little guy? We're going to do that right now. So if you see, they said it's pretty simple. It only takes maybe less than 2 minutes. Then after that, we're up real fast. You are in Windows 11 Pro. But take a look at my setup. It's almost, I would say, 80% wireless. Only thing because it requires power. But even I have my video wireless, and then dangle for control my keyboard and mouse, and it becomes like a perfect. Actually, this is that way. It's the perfect media box. But great. So remember, this will replace. Oh, it's time to let it go. All those PC that makes a lot of noise. I can hear right now my PC right here, and believe me, makes a lot of noise. It's time to replace one of these little guys. Now the question is how we can get more information on this mini PC. Well, in the description line, you're going to see the link of this mini PC, but also there are more work done besides the video, more technical information. I'm going to show you where are you going to see that right in MediaBoxEnt. By the way, that's our brand new site with a lot of technical information. So right over here, you guys are going to see some of more technical side on this great mini PC. All right, so with this, time to go, and I'll see you next time. This is Dario from MediaBoxEnt. Bye.